of Building D, where educational activities of the Faculty of Government Technology and Fashion Design are carried out. Right at the entrance of the faculty office is the student reception area. The registrar is a person who directly deals with students' questions as well as issues related to academic affairs. At the office desk, you can see an open window, which is convenient to discuss and answer students' questions and issues related to class schedules, course registration, student information, transcripts, and announcements concerning academic regulations. This area represents the face and image of the faculty. So the registrar is always open, friendly, and enthusiastic in helping students to solve their problems quickly and promptly. Okay. Right, so the next area is the two office desks where the two vice deans monitor and support lecturers and students to solve their problems. As you can see on my left is the desk of the first vice dean, Ms. Phạm Thị Thảo, who is in charge of the faculty study program, advises and solves the problems related to the study program and academic regulation for students. The area on the right is the working space of the second vice dean, Mr. Huỳnh Văn Thức, who is in charge of the monitoring and assessment of the quality of the study program. So this office area is also where we place the faculty's documents, including the document to support lecturers' teaching activities. Now let's just come to the office room of the dean, Mr. Nguyễn Mậu Tùng. This is a place where the management, consultancy, and implementation are discussed to develop the study program. Okay, thank you. So,
good morning. We are now in the meeting room and the seminar room in the 5th floor. We organize professional meetings and seminars for academic staff of different divisions in this room. And this room is where regular academic meetings for division of the faculty for assigning new tasks to the faculty members are held. The equipping and arrangement are for academic staff to exchange, understand, and obtain new information, to share their experience in teaching, to strive for educational goals, as well as bringing people together. And our next stop is R&D research room with a very special equipment, the 3D body scanning room of the faculty. One of the strengths of the government technology program is modern teaching and learning equipment. During learning process, students can use the data provided by the measurement parameters to apply to the courses of the program without having to measure them directly. We are very proud to have this equipment at FGD. It costs nearly 2 billion VND. This expensive size stream 3D machine is imported from the USA. This device can provide more than 200 body measurements and the 3D simulation file just 1 minute after scanning the model.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. All right. With the mission of providing high-quality human resources in professional qualifications and good work skills, the university has paid attention to invest in the best facilities to ensure the faculty to train quality human resources with meaningful contribution to the society. So first, I would like to show you the Cad Cam Practice Workshop with 3 classrooms and with about 100 newly equipped powerful computers to facilitate the teaching and learning of 2D and 3D design software, including lecture, Gerber, Optitext, etc. Students can practice and learn directly on the computer connected to the server, helping students to be familiar with the actual production environment and company. The teaching activities are connected quickly and timely so that lecturers can support and help students when they face difficult situations. And may I introduce Ms. Hà Tú Vân, the manager of the practice room. And now let us go on by taking you to the Garment Technology Workshop.
Next, next, we would like to invite you all to proceed to the Garment Technology Workshop, Building D, floor number 6. Before entering the workshop, on our right side here, students will see a notice board displaying regulations when entering and leaving the workshop. So currently, due to the situation of the COVID pandemic, you will see hand sanitizers available right here. And inside, this is board of instruction in case of fire. The workshop is open from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day, and there is a break of 1 hour between the morning and the afternoon shift. The workshop areas have more than 150 single needle sewing machines that can meet the needs of about 150 students learning and practicing at the same time. Besides learning and practicing with the electronic machines, there are more than other 20 specialized sewing machines of all kinds. And all of these, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right. This is the stamping design workshop located on the 7th floor of the building, including 4 classrooms with 32 standardized tables for design and fabrics marking. In order for the workshop to function properly, at the entrance of the workshop, we put the regulation board to increase the seriousness and discipline when students enter and leave the workshop. The regulations also include the opening hours of the workshop and the lecturers in charge. In this workshop, students will come up with ideas and create stamping sets according to the figures produced in the direct measurement of human bodies or according to the sizing systems. Besides, in order to help students have the most general overview of the production process in garment manufacturing companies and enterprises,
Yes.
Yeah, remaining at the 7th floor, we are moving into the Catkin Lab, which is aimed to facilitate the design lessons. This room represents the integration into the trend of applying IT into production. The implementation of pattern design is also practiced in computers with the software commonly used in garment enterprises such as Opitex, Gerber. We are looking at some 3D, 2D patterns which are designed on the software Opitex. And I would like you to meet Ms. Hà Tú Vân. She's in charge of room D705.
Yes.
With the goal of training human resources for society who are not only good at professional knowledge and practice skills, but also have to have other soft skills to meet the requirements of the society. The unions, association, or groups in the university and the faculty have created many useful and meaningful playgrounds for students. The faculty has an organization called FGD Youth Union under the management of the IUX Youth Union. This is a place to organize the implementation of the FGD's action programs or the common activities. The organization of activities of the clubs and groups, just like volunteer clubs, social work team, pioneer team, etc., takes place throughout the semesters of an academic year.
Yeah. Let's continue the journey to the Draw Fashion Room for Art and Fashion Design in the 8th floor. Besides specialized knowledge, students learn art and drawing subjects to enhance their knowledge of fashion. Currently, the faculty had equipped 2 drawing classrooms, D801 and D802, with fully standardized learning equipment for students to learn the courses of art drawing, fashion design. Each room is equipped with 30 specialized standard drawing table with class top imported from Australia for students to practice drawing and painting. The faculty also equipped with more than 30 mannequins of different size to ensure that students have adequate equipment to use in class time and in their hours. Here is the second room, and in this room you will see some collections made by students during their projects. With their projects, they use this space to demo their collections and their other rehearsal activities for competitions inside and outside RUH. And this is where many generations of the Government Technology Program grow up and become successful. This is Miss Mai Cẩm Tú, yes, the lecturer of Government Technology. Thank you.
In the production of industrial garments, materials play a very important role in determining the quality, and they directly affect the product prices. Therefore, besides providing students with sufficient knowledge and hands-on experience in production line, our faculty also equips our students with knowledge of fabrics and other sewing materials. Let us show you the sewing materials laboratory. The room has two doors, one main door and one auxiliary door that allows people to escape in case of emergency. The laboratory is quite spacious. We only have, we just arrange a capacity of about 30 students equipped with a system of lights, fans, and sliding doors at the end of the room to get more sunlight and natural breeze to ensure that the classroom is always nice and clean for students during the entire. The room is equipped with a projector system and a large board like a theoretical classroom to facilitate conveniently the instructions, showing experimental tutorial videos to help students perceive the lessons more effective.
Yes. And this is my student most favorite area, the gallery for student self-study and student research. This place was built and designed with an open air space, good lighting in order to help students to sit and study comfortably. Besides, the Faculty of Government Technology also built a showroom for products as a result of the training process. And here are some collections made by the students of Government Technology Program.
And now the next thing to know more about is how the interior of the classroom is laid out. Please come into this room. Each classroom like this is designed with two main doors to help us get in and get out quickly and comfortably. This classroom can accommodate up to 70 students. To ensure the most comfortable study space, the layout of the classroom includes 2 rows of single desks and 1 row of double desks. This kind of layout enables students sitting in the last rows to see what is written on the board clearly. A single desk is designed for 2 students to comfortably sit and take notes. A single desk is designed for 2 students to comfortably sit and take notes. The board is placed in the middle, top of the classroom. To make sure it is easy, yeah.
Yes, that's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you.